think a small update of the room will not hurt. As you can see, the author has left the room. Hi, Hiccup! I hope you are ready for today's video. Yes, my team and I really want to look at our past and remember all the interesting moments. The son of the mighty leader of the tribe of hooligans, Sook the Vast. His dragon is a terrible beast named Hookfing, who is a complete copy of his master and character.
What the?
Who is it that wakes up the weight of our village?
It's tough.
That is rough and tough.
And
Why
chicken.
wake us up? We're in bed so late.
Yes, we were both like at the wall city, along with the chicken.
You stay.
Not fair, Hiccup!
We'll discuss it later.
Here, Hiccups, don't leave me alone.
We agreed that we will discuss later.
No, Hiccup. You've been agreed with Toothless to leave me here.
This is totally unfair. You manipulated my partner with your big brown eyes.
They're green.
Shut up.
Confess, Fishlegs, you fell in love with her.
No, Httyd, you got it wrong. She's manipulating Fishlegs and I'm trying to help. She's manipulating Fishlegs with the cute eyes.
People doubting me, especially my own father. And then I stood my ground and touched one. I touched a dragon. That's hardcore. Hey. Hey.
Hiccup, before you say something. No, I'm not sorry for this.
Why did you hit me so suddenly?
Hiccup, you were supposed to defend against a surprise attack. I just tested your reaction.
No, save it for your girlfriend. What is it, bud? Is it the other dragons?
How far do you think he's gonna get before he realizes?
Hard to say. He seemed pretty committed.
And when will he realize that he will take your leg?
Yes, and you will learn a dance, Toothless.
I hope Toothless does not repeat your dance. Otherwise, it would be very funny.
Oh, ow! I am not gonna fight you, snot lout! You see that? The future chief is a coward! You heard me! Come on, hit me!
You know you want to.
Fine, but remember, you wanted this. Ah! What'd you do that for? Ah, hold on, I gotta take it.
Hiccup, you did a good job. Was it to knock that snot out with one blow?